Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another Seben tutorial and I will be going through a song by Olivier Kalabasi which is called Louange, and this song is split into 4 different parts or 5 different parts, but I'm going to split it into 4 different videos. So this video is the first one and you will see the other videos be released very soon. So instead of just putting everything together into one video, I thought it would be good to do it like that. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it and like and subscribe for more videos too. So the Seben that you heard me play in the beginning is not actually the beginning of the song. I'm going to play the beginning of the song and show you guys the bass line for it, and then I'll explain to you what the Seben bass line is as well. Yeah, so I'll just explain this bass line very quick. And all he's playing, so we're in the key of A. So A, so 1, 1, 4, 5. But what you notice that he was playing 1, 3, 4, 5. And sometimes he will also play, if you listen to the song in your own time, he will also play 1, 6 sharp, 4, 5. But we're only going to focus on the 1, the 3, 4, 5. So that's how the bass line starts. So we're playing the 1, so the A, 3, 4, then. So we're playing, so 5, 1, 1, 1, then, so that, dun, 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 it's the 3, 1, 2, 3. So 3 in the A string, then 4. So 2, 6, 5, 2, 2. So you notice that I'm adding like muted, I'm muting the G string as well, so I'm doing this. So you do that by not pressing any note. So I do it. So of course slow it down, and if you can't add this, if it's too confusing, just play normally like. And the next part will be so 1, then. So we'll go into the 6 octave, and then 3 in a D string. So this one. So and then to the 4. So 4 octave, 5. Dun, 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 6, 4, 5. So 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 it's for this as well. If I go to the 6, I can still add the muted strings as well. So So the 7 part is 1, 5, 4, 5. I know we played the first part in the key of A, but this part is in the key of B. So you have 1, 5, 4, 5, B, F sharp, E, F sharp. So I start off by playing. So 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5. So that's the octave. Then 1. So 5, 2, 5, 2, 5. And then 5. So what am I playing there? It's so 1, 5, 5, 2, 2, 1, 4, 5. So it's good practice for you to get used to playing 1, 5, 4, 5, like that. So instead of playing so after that he doesn't just carry on playing like that. He changes it, which is the main part of the bass line. So he plays so we play again. So what is he playing there? He's playing so 1, 3, 3, 3, and then 5, 3, 5, so 5, 6, 5, 4. So 1, 3, 3, 3. You don't have to mute, so what I'm doing is I'm muting as well. I'm muting the first note, so and then he plays a lick. So we're still in the key of B, so he plays so pentatonic scale. If you guys don't know what the pentatonic scale is, it's simply or so just think of the major scale. You're playing the 1, the 2, the 3, the 5, the 6, and the 1. So you're skipping the 4 and you're skipping the 7. So, or you can play like this. I prefer it like this. And it carries on, of course. So you played. Sorry. So he went all the way to the 5. So if we just play in this shape, what you're playing is 1, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 5, 5. And it's the same thing here. 1, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 5, 5. So keep doing that. Use a metronome, do it slowly, and then increase the time and the speed of the metronome until you get to. So you go from in the key of B. So then it's gonna take you a while to get used to it, but if you do it slow and then increase the speed, you will get to it. So then 5 2, then 4, then again. So 1 3 2 6 5. So the main part you should worry about is this part. So then do the same thing, and after you play that, play 3 2 6 5, and then it moves on to the next part. Thank you guys for watching. In the next videos, I will show you guys how to play the other parts of the song. Like I said, I will split the song into 4 different videos. So today we covered the first bass line, or the first 2 bass lines, and there are other 3 bass lines that we must learn in other keys. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and also like and subscribe for more. Thank you very much.